reverse shot has earned Prakash another boundary, a deep backward of point. Good attempt from Vipin. It was a very good attempt. But Prakash changing his stance, changing his grip, and Vipin had to just reach his right hand a bit more further. It's a drop chance. Will be considered as a chance as well on this occasion, because it was Prakash's wicket, and Prakash will not give you such half chances. We'll have to re-bowl that one. Depends on how much will be the cost of the drop chance, because every team has to win their games. I'll tell you the groups that has actually been slotted for this group 8. There are 2 groups that's been done in a very nice fashion, where every team plays against each other once in their group, another wide delivery as well, and we are witnessing the live games of the Group B matches now. Karnataka and Delhi taking on against each other. So 3 games will be there for each of the team in the groups. That's the group stages, so it's better to keep winning all the matches. Again, a reverse that's attempted straight to Vipin this time at backward of point. Stops it nicely. And the top 2 sides of each group will play the semi-finals. Semi-finals, one will be the topper in A1 versus the second place team in B group, and the semi-final 2 will be the second place B in the A group versus the topper of B1. That is the B group as well. After 4 overs, 38 for no loss. Just slotted just right next to the team dugout as well, the commentary box. You can hear the noises, you can hear the appreciation, you can hear the cheering up that's been happening. Because in Group A you have Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh and Odisha and Haryana. Those are the 4 teams in Group A, and in Group B we have Jharkhand, Karnataka, Delhi and Gujarat. So it's better to win all the games and finish on the top of the table, top 2. That's the important factor. And that's good timing, but not good enough for more than 1 run. Down the leg side, that ball was from Vijay Kumar. 5th over, and there's just 1 drop chance that's gone down. Again, that's in the gap, testing the fielders at the deep, and they will not be passing in that test. That is the power of Prakash Jairamaya. Piercing the gap once again beautifully well at deep backward square leg and that deep fine leg region. I will really say that fine leg fielder has to come back towards the deep backward of square leg region, because 2 men on the out in the power play. That is exactly where most of the boundaries have gone in, and that's why you see the wicketkeeper making those changes. They are really needed, those changes to be done. Actually, Manish Kumar himself is keeping. It's not Alok. It's Manish Kumar himself. Again, reverse shot that's attempted. That was travelling very quickly. And Akshay Verma on this occasion at backward of point. Does not keep his hands where it had supposed to be. This is the second occasion where on the switch hit, where Prakash Jairamaya has given another half chance, but that time it was travelling quickly. Unlike what Vipin's drop was, this was travelling very, very quickly. And at this stage, Delhi were just 25 for no loss. If you look at that comparison, you should say Karnataka are off to a flyer. ఇక్కడ రాదా స్టేజెస్ they were there. Okay. Currently they were after 5 overs 29 for no loss again for the beating that the ball has taken, especially from Prakash Jairamaya. 39 of 20 deliveries. The ball has lost its shape. The ball has really lost its shape.
last innings.
Scoring at 10.5 runs and over. It's a big start, and Delhi are in search of that first wicket. They need it very quickly, as Vijay Kumar again from the far end has been costly. Captain of Karnataka, Javregowda. He bowled really well, 1 over 6 runs, and then the last over, or rather the 19th over that he came into bowl, was taken for runs. Ball வர்ற நேரத்துல இருக்க கூடாது மேஷ். எடுத்துரு.
48.
End of the 5th over as well. 48 for no loss. The last ball was a dot delivery. ரொம்ப ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆமா. 48 for no loss. After 5 overs, 48 for no loss. Now it will be interesting. When will the B1 bowlers come in? Definitely not inside the power play for sure. As Vipin is coming in to bowl for Delhi. B3 bowler Vipin. And also Manish Kumar, number 7 on his jersey. He's keeping as well, the captain. And a wonderful footwork that is hiked over that B1 mid-on fielder for a couple of runs. 50 for Karnataka. 50 in the 6th over. 50 for no loss. Prakash batting on 41 of just 21 deliveries. A reverse hit again. That's in the gap. That will run away towards that third man region for another boundary. And Prakash Jairamaya is in a hurry to finish this run chase. How nicely and delicately he timed this ball. What's this? It was no mistake from the bowler. He's just keeping it stump to stump. And Prakash just making sure he just clears his front leg on the reverse. Times it to perfection. Puts it fine on that third fielder region. He's quickly moved on to 45. What a start. Because Karnataka has to make up for the number of runs that's been given away by their B1 bowlers. Around 60 odd runs were given away in 8 overs. That is the time where Delhi actually dominated the batting. And with this start, Karnataka has shown what they can do. Straight to the B1 fielder. Good work. Very good work at mid-off from Mukesh Rawat. It's not easy. It's really not easy for a B1 fielder to stop those balls travelling, especially when it has been hit by Prakash. He hits them very hard. Good stop from Mukesh Rawat. Now Delhi really want to see the back of Prakash going back to the dugout. But how is the question? They have dropped him already. And width was on offer. Very good stop. And the bowler who's actually bowling now dropped him when Prakash was on 24. that is coming back to bite them, and it is already biting them hard. Now Prakash has moved on to 45. He'll have to re-bowl that one, Vipin, and they will run again. So it's going to be 2 wides. And that is what it will be considered as. How do you stop Prakash is when the power play is done after this over. Try and don't allow him the boundary balls. Probably try and put some pressure there and keep Javre on strike. That's what Delhi will probably be thinking to do, because the run has not come so easily for the Karnataka captain, but for Prakash, he's not been under any pressure. Again a single, and that's all Javre will be thinking and has to do currently for Karnataka. Vipin introduced into the bowling attack of the last over of the power play. That's once again down the leg side and hit very nicely out of the middle of the bat, but straight to backward of square leg. Power play done. 58 for no loss. Now Karnataka. After power play, 58 for no loss. Now, this is the point where actually Delhi stamped some authority on the Karnataka bowling attack, where the B1 bowlers were actually coming into bowl, as Mukesh Rawat will begin the first over for Delhi. Will be interesting how to stop Prakash. Again, he started off with a strong fashion, hit straight down the ground towards the long on region for a couple of runs. And also don't forget K. Bhaskar, who's running for Javre. He's run wonderfully well. On 48 now, Prakash. Wanted to go and blast it towards the fine of the fine leg. Doesn't time it well. On 48 now, Prakash, of 26 deliveries. On target. And that's in the gap. Will that go all the way? No, it won't. Good stop as well. Prakash moves on to 49. That's a wonderful stop from Vipin. A deep backward of square leg, because he had to cover a lot of ground. He was at fine leg and he covered very, very good ground. Again, placing it to perfection. Look at how Vipin takes off from fine leg and then comes in. Had to also manage his partner who was coming from the other end, Neeraj, and did well. Did wonderfully well to keep the ball down. And I'll tell you what, Mukesh Rawat, he's bowled on target as a B1 bowler. Not very usual occasions where you will have the B1 bowlers actually bowling on target. And that's a good start from Mukesh Rawat. Around the 10 over mark, Delhi were 66. But now, Karnataka already in the 6th over. They're on 62. And after 6 overs, Delhi were actually 35 for no loss. In the air, it will go towards that boundary region on the long off. 50 for Prakash Jairamaya. It's come in no time for him. This is the chase that you actually wanted to chase this challenging total from Delhi. Making room for himself, going to the pitch of the ball and putting it towards that long off region with ease. He scored 8 boundaries in this 50. This is the start that Karnataka actually wished for. Again going down the ground, punches it towards that extra cover region. Single and will keep strike for the 8th over, Prakash. After 7 overs, 67 for no loss. And we will slip into a short little drinks break.
10 నిమిషాలు అటు అయితే నేను పూజ చేసుకుంటా లేదంటే
Welcome back after that drinks break. 3 deliveries gone in. There was
సరే చేసుకో
more in for the buttermilk. And slight little misfield from the B1 fielder. Yeah, you can expect that. 2 more runs for Prakash. And all the running that has been happening from Bhaskar also has to be appreciated.
హలో మేడం నా మ్యాచ్ నా తర్వాత చేస్తాను ప్లీజ్ స్ట్రైక్ రోలర్ సార్
That's another big shot over the cover region.